Boom! Today, it is 100 degrees. So it's safe to say, I got something fire for you guys. Y'all already know, Nike Air Vapormax Flyknit 3. As if it was a surprise. I know you guys been wanting to see the new updated, same shoe, but 2020. So let's check them out. Let's get right into the review. Boom! Coming right out the box. They didn't even, like, the shoe was just like, let me out. Let me out. Ooh, this is gorgeous. This is really gorgeous. You already know I'm gonna check for laces. No laces. We don't need your paper. All right, anyways. Right into the shoe review. First thing we're gonna see here is we got a super light green tinted air bubble. So this right here is super volt. Like, it's like the really nice volt that you would see on nails, you know? Like, you ever seen those nails that, you know, it's just like Miami nails? It's that type of volt that you got on there. This down here is a clear green, almost like dirty sewer water, like that you see, like, you know, has that green light tint. That's what this looks like. Other one is just a clear, gorgeous bubble, like a clear white. Might bring back the clear all white Vapormaxes because of this right here. That looks gorgeous. And it's got the nice, super nice, like, touches of volt. Moving on up, you got the standard, like, the same, you know, type groove going on. Although they did change this right here. They changed it so these go sideways. I don't know what these called. What are these called? Like, it's a Flyknit, but going this way. And then this is like a different type of Flyknit. This is the standard that you get on the Vapormax 3s. Moving on up, you got the black thick laces with the aglets. I remember this is called correctly. They just say Vapormax. Moving on to the tongue of the shoe. Air Nike Vapormax Flyknit 3, upper FK. Don't know what FK. If you know what FK is, comment below. It's all right, taking out the little papers. Anyone knows what these are for? Like, why they put these in here? Is it just to keep form of the shoe, or? Because it looks good like that, you know? Okay, so looking at the back. So it's like, it's a nice shoe. I could see this popping, you know? Let's turn on the flash to see if there's any reflective on there. So flash is on. And nothing on this shoe is reflective. All right, time to throw them on the feet. Today I'm gonna show you guys with jeans, low cut socks, and medium socks. So here we go, let's go. Right, so here we got the shoes. I forgot to mention inside the shoes, it says Vapormax +++, which is a sign that they might release a Vapormax 4, which I don't even know what they would do differently. So I wear my jeans loose. I know a lot of people wear them like that, like, you know. I like it a little loose, but not too loose. Comfort on these guys, like, they're always, as long as you get true to size. Not true, you need to get, you see, let me think, hold on. Definitely with the way they're making them now, go true to size if you're gonna get a Vapormax 3. Definitely has that subtle look where it's like, I'm gonna stunt with the volt, but I want to be low key in the front. As you can see, guys, it's very easy to throw these shoes on. Literally almost fell there, boys. Okay, and that's literally, you could literally wear them like that. Low cut, looks good. Very responsive to the touch, you know. Go on a nice little jog with these. Of course, if you're gonna go jogging with these, make sure they're tight with the laces. But other than that, guys, I'll show you guys a point of view. And that's a wrap. Overall comfort, watch all my other videos. Nike playlist, it's gonna go right there. So this is a point of view. This is what you're gonna be seeing on the feet if you do get them. So very clean shoes. Let me show you guys how the outside looks in the sun. Let me go ahead and step onto the other side of the border. Look at that.